Yeah, look, I'm very excited. It's been 14 years since I was in Pakistan last, and look, it's been a tough decision, more so just from a family's point of view. With me being away, and talking to my wife and my son who has been struggling this time for me being away. So from that point of view, it all comes down to support that my wife and my family give me, and so it's worked out very nicely, and also the incredible support that I've got from the Koïta Gladiators family. It's always going to be very difficult to be able to leave before the finals. So I'm very excited. We've got a great squad and great team this year, and I'd love to be involved with Koïta Gladiators taking that final step. So I can't wait to be able to get over to Pakistan. I'm sure everyone will turn out in their droves to support not just the Koïta Gladiators but the PSL. It's a great tournament, and I can't wait to get there. Pakistan, main aa raha hoon.